So we're going to start off with priming our face. And I'm using a Fenty Beauty primer right now. And so now I'm going to put my foundation on, and I'm using the Queen Collection All Day Flawless foundation, and it's in the shade Brûlée. I'm just going to pump some on the back of my hand and apply it to my brush. And this is the Fenty Beauty foundation brush. And this, I just like using the brush because it really blends into my skin. Now that I've blended on that side, it's time to move to the other side. So I take my brush and just start going on the other side of my face and make sure everything is blended out properly for an even application. Now I'm taking my concealer, my Pro Concealer, that in the shade Fawn, and just concealing under my eyes in a triangle-like shape. And now I'm just taking my concealer, highlighting in the middle of my forehead. Well, I do my dance for y'all. I have no idea what I'm dancing to, but hey, I was getting it. So now I'm just going to blend everything out with my small beauty blender, and I'm going to set everything with my white powder by E.L.F. Now I'm just going to take this gel, eyebrow gel, and just do my eyebrows off camera. See, they're done now. They're kind of crooked, I'm not going to lie, but my eyebrows are just shaped oddly like that. So now I'm going to take concealer to pat that on my eyelids and set it so that I can put some eyeshadow and then just stick to it. My little dance for y'all, as you can see, but I'm looking for my lip balm, as you can see. It's like Vaseline, just to put something on my lips while I do the rest of my makeup, because I like for it to actually set before I put lipstick on. Now moving on to eyeshadows. I'm taking this brush I've ordered from Amazon and taking that orange color and just putting it in my crease. I'm blending it out, as you can see, on each side. Then I'm going to take this smaller brush, this tapered brush, and actually get the color next to it. And it's like an, excuse me, it's like an orange brownish color. And I'm just putting that in the crease also and blending it out to make it have more depth. Now I'm going to take this matte cream color, and I'm taking this small brush, like an eyeshadow brush, to pack it onto my eyelids just below the eyeshadow that I blended in my crease. As you can see, it's like a milky white cream color, and I believe that just like it matches perfectly with the orange. So I'm putting it on all my eyelids and making sure that it's on there and even out. After I do my little dance, I like put this gold on top of the matte cream eyeshadow. If I can stop singing. Now I'm just gonna take this small defining brush and just pack on the gold eyeshadow. I believe this is from like Wet n Wild. Yeah, it was Wet n Wild, and they were only $1, and I couldn't believe that it, you know, actually gave a color off. It looks kind of like a sheer color. I think it's because of the matte cream color that I put under it. So I'm just taking that and putting all over my lids. And what I'm going to do, actually, you'll see soon, is spray my brush so it can pick up more of the pigment from the eyeshadow, because it wasn't picking up as much. So spraying that and packing it on again. And as you can see, it intensified the color of the eyeshadow. As you can see here, I just got shook, but it was not by the eyeshadow, it was just by something on Nick Cannon's Wild Out show. I was looking at this the whole time, so yeah, that's why I'm making faces and doing crazy stuff. As you can see, hold on 1 minute, y'all. Okay, so I went and did my eyeliner, as you can see. I'm gonna fix that too later on because it wasn't up to par like I thought it should. It's really hard to do eyeliner on camera, so that's why I did it off camera. Now I'm going in with my cream contour kit, and this is by Red Ruby or something. It's from a beauty supply store, and I'm pretty sure y'all probably saw this at your local beauty supply store. I'm just gonna take that reddish brown color and I'm going to contour my cheekbones. And I feel like this is the best shade for me. If you don't want to like deep contour like that, you can take a shade that's actually in like a reddish tone, like a reddish brown. I think is a good tone to contour your face if you don't want to like real deep contour. I didn't want a deep contour, so yeah, I'm just taking that color and putting on my cheekbones. And for some reason, I was having a rough time doing this on camera, especially on the left side. I think it's because the hair was in the way and the way that the camera may have been angled. So I'm just taking that and carving out my cheekbones. Highlight above that contour, and this is a baked bronzer by Black Radiance and Ginger Snap. I really like this. Like it's a real highlight color. If you spray your brush and you just kind of dip into the baked bronzer, it gives off this beautiful like gold, like it's a red, I don't know, it's like it has a red undertone like in the gold. So yeah, I'm taking that and highlighting my face. After I finish highlighting the areas of my face, I'm just going to take my Better Than Sex mascara And yes, this is some really amazing mascara, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm just going to, you know, apply mascara to my lashes. And I like to apply from top and bottom lashes. Some people don't like, you know, do all that extra stuff, but I do. And then I'm going to take my NYX mineral powder. I'm just going to set my face. It's set under my eyes, just above that highlight and below the contour, just so it won't get as oily as it does, because my face does tend to get oily. So that's why I only put powder right there. And yeah, I'm just gonna let it bake for a while and then come back to it and sweep it off my face, basically. Or some people sweep it off. I actually pat mine in. I just feel like this works best for me, because I don't like to slide everywhere and get everywhere all around my face, because I feel like it tends to mess up my makeup and just like mess up what I already done to it. So that's what I like to do, just pat it out until it's all gone. Also, y'all see like flashing lights, like it's about to come up right now, I think. Yeah, there it goes. That's my TV, just so you know. Yeah, so don't worry, it's just my TV that's flashing on and off in the video. Finally, I'm going to take my spray by Sephora. I'm just going to spritz it all over my face like you see in all the other YouTube videos with the beauty gurus. And just fan your face until you can't fan no more, until your face is like semi-dry. Then you're going to line your lips like I am if you don't got much definition. And this is like the lip liner by Kiss New York, and their shade Roasted Coffee. And this is my favorite lip liner to use. Like, I bought 3 of these before. So yeah, I'm lining my lips to give me some definition and some pizzazz, because that's what I need in my life. I'm going to take this silky stick in a matte shade called Irish Coffee. It's by Nikki Gack, I believe. And it's like a reddish orange brown color. As you can tell, it has red orange undertones. I'm just applying it on my lips. Now I'm taking a liquid lipstick by Kiss New York in the professional line Celeste in the shade Peanut Brittle. And basically, this is just a beige nude color, and I'm just patting it on my lips to make a matte finish on top of the lipstick. Now I'm just taking my hair from behind my ears and fixing it up a little bit. And basically, this is the completed look. I hope you liked this video and you will continue to watch more. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.